Today I'm going to show you 3 ways to import your media into DaVinci Resolve. So first go to File Explorer and choose whatever media you want to import. Select them like this and just drag it to the media pool. Click on Change, and then here we have our pictures here. You can also delete it by pressing backspace. And you can also like create new bins, name it video. You can add all the videos in there, and you can also add audio bin, picture bin, add audio in the audio bin, add pictures in the picture bin. So in the video bin we will add all the videos for the project. Change, and then we have all our videos in this bin. And for the audio bin we will add whatever audio you wanna use. We can just drag it and add it over there. We can do the same with the picture bin. So we have all the videos and the audio. And now the second way is right click over here, import media, and then select whatever media you wanna add. Just select it and press open. Now we have our videos here. We can do the same with audio and picture. Now the third step is go to the media storage and find whatever folder you have stored your media in. After you found your media, then just drag it over there. Just drag it like this, and you can also put it into the bin, whatever bin you want, and there you can see it's added. So now you know the 3 ways to add media to your DaVinci Resolve. But what if it's not adding properly? Don't worry, I'll cover it in my next video. So don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.